morning, guys. Oh, my voice. It is finally moving day, so I'm gonna be vlogging our travel together and showing you all my stuff when I get in the road trip. It'll be so fun because you guys are coming along. So if you aren't already subscribed, it would be nice if you subscribe and like this video so you guys can help me grow. And I think we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get breakfast there. And let's go. I'm back. I literally forgot to film my food, but I literally just ate a burrito and some hash browns, and I had Powerade. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. So first thing that I need to do, because the Packers are coming at 8 or 10. I don't remember what time it is. I think it's 8. Well, I have to go throw away some stuff so you guys can come with me, I guess. Actually, I don't want you to see my trash. First step, packing, that you guys you should know. So you should always get dressed into something that you would want to wear, obviously. Sorry, the audio is kind of bad right now. I'm not using my microphone, sorry. It's really creepy outside. How about a haul? Let's do a haul. So, this is my little makeup bag. Isn't it cute? Like you? No. It literally is just all my makeup. It's not that important. You guys can see the type of makeup that I use in my other video, my makeup tutorial. So, if you wanna... Someone was detected at the front door. The Packers are here. Okay. It's all gone. Oh, my hand's blurry. Oh, it's not blurry anymore. Well, I don't remember if I should fold these or not. I don't know why I wouldn't think of that, but yeah. Are you recording me? Why do blankets have to be so big? I'm bringing one pillow, by the way, because sometimes I don't like the pillows that I get in hotels, and I'm also bringing a blanket because I'm scared there's gonna be bugs and they'll just crawl over me. I don't know. We're going to a nice hotel, it's just I don't want that because a lot of reviews about hotels kind of scared me because of bugs. So I think that's how the song goes. But I wish you over here. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I'm still recording. Get over here. You think he's slick. Let's be real now. I come to give you a little haul of what I packed in my bag. First, makeup. I'm not bringing that in my suitcase. And then the next thing is native deodorant. I don't know. I just next thing, coconut scented stuff. And then another scented thing is this. It's one of my favorite scents. Nail or cuticle oil. I don't know why I have that. It's wallet lotion. Yep. Because you'll never know when you feel a little dry on your elbows. The next thing that I have is this mini lotion. So de Janeiro bracelet. It just cut me. I have my AirPods. It's a little shark. I have my Apple Watch that I need to charge. Sometimes I just forget to charge it. And then I have this hair tie. Yes, it is a hair tie. It's really cool. Sometimes I wear it, sometimes I don't. So I'm packing it. That's all of that. Okay, the next one, more headphones, because you'll never know when they'll die. So these look like a headset. They're so fat. It's fine. They look cute. They're really good brands. So I have girl products, feminine products, chargers. I have a lot of them. Jewelry. Little jewelry products. I wear a lot of jewelry. Obviously, I have a brush. This is my third brush. I lost my 2 other brushes. One of them I lost at school, and the other one, I don't even know where that one went. So hopefully I don't lose this one. And then I have my gimbal, which is basically a tripod, but it follows you around. It's really cool. And then my microphone. And then I have a manga. I'm gonna read it. I'm a volleyball player, might as well watch Haikyuu. I said watch because I can watch it and read it at the same time. Don't ask why I have socks. I will show you later. Stay tuned so you know how to do these cute curls. Oh, it's hard to see what I'm doing. I think I should change my shirt. And you want to look at the outside of the backpack. There's a little fluffy cow. It's really soft, and then I have a pocket. I have 3 claw clips. I have a lot of clips. Don't ask why I do. I just do. It's just how it happened. They appeared out of nowhere. They appeared underneath my bed, and then I was like, oh my gosh, and there was a leprechaun right next to it. And he was like, don't take my gold, but you can take these. And I was like, okay. Then I have this cute little, his name is Lavendilla. Yes, it's called Lavendilla. It's the correct term for lavender, so look it up. And then I have my Snoopy blanket I got for Christmas. It's so soft. And then the pillow, obviously. And you guys can see my outfits later. I'm wearing an ear cuff. Don't ask why I am. I'm just, I feel cool with it. My suitcase. Yeah, it's very nice. I'll give you a haul later. Okay, so it's finally 10, and I was helping my dad with the fence over there. And then I saw these pretty flowers. Oh, Ellie. Oh, you're so cute. I got my favorite drink from Dutch Bros. It's like a coconut. And we are going to Chipotle, right? We are at the pool now.
We're at the hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
One of my friends is pool. It's so loud. This is my pool. That's so awkward when people are watching me film. We just got back from the pool and then we're in our hotel. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you where it is exactly because of for my safety. Well, there's my dad. We're gonna go put our stuff in. I'll talk to you. Oh, sorry.